Microdian.
Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce the new bus protocol decoding features on the MPO-2000, including CAN FD, FlexRay, USB 2.0, USB power delivery, and I2S. First, let's take FlexRay as an example and demonstrate how to operate the decoding function. Press the App button on the panel, then press the first bottom menu key. Choose the decoding function you want, press the Select button twice to enter the decoding menu. After adjusting the correct settings, you will see the decoded results. FlexRay is a high-performance real-time communication protocol primarily used in automotive systems. It provides reliable and efficient communication transmission for automotive control systems. CAN FD is an evolved version of the Controller Area Network Communication Protocol, applied in areas such as vehicles and industrial automation. It supports faster data transmission rates. USB 2.0 is a universal serial bus used in PC peripherals and CPU embedded system development, supporting high-speed data transfer and various external devices. USB power delivery is a USB standard that supports higher power, mainly applied in fast charging and power supply solutions. It provides a faster and more intelligent communication interface between devices. I2S is an interface used for digital audio transmission, widely applied in communication between audio devices, providing crucial support for high-quality audio experiences.